Hello mga ka-cranky out there. For this video, we're going to overhaul our old sunglasses from Oakley Volt Titanium X-squared, right? So as you can see, very old. So I have this for 10 years. Titanium frame, very nice, but very old glasses. That's why we're gonna do the complete overhauling, changing the components, the rubber parts, and the main glasses. As you can see right there, it's very old. So last time I bought this emerald version. As you can see, it won't last. Okay, so we have here our tools, Torx from Ace Hardware. Nothing fancy. What size is that? Size 5 P5 Torx screwdriver. And then also we have the P6 Torx screwdriver. As well, we ordered some parts from Amazon, components here. Also, we bought the glasses from Revant USA. Let's see the specs right there. I don't know if you can see that. It says polarized midnight sun, and they claim this is hydrophobic. It means water repellent or sweat repellent. So right there, so we order this color. Oh, there's another Torx. We order this color because it is similar with the original Oakley Ruby Iridium. Okay, so let's see. So right there, and then the front will become like this, Ruby Iridium, only for Cyclops. Okay, so let's set aside the lens. Of course, we need to establish the right and left. So let's begin. What we're gonna do, we're going to clean it with some toothpaste and sodine. White toothpaste, nothing special, only because of the smell. Okay, I want smells like fresh right there. not much. Alright, we're done with the cleaning. It's right there. Nice and clean, our frames. And then our bridge. Nose bridge. For the sake of completeness, we'll put some deodorant right there to make it a bit slimy. Little bit. We don't have oil here, and silicone oil, so should be fine. Why not? This while you're wearing your glasses, you can smell your underarm, right? You can use some deodorant, okay, make it slimy. Okay, thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye. Oh yeah, like this. Antararan. Pwede palang kalbo si Cyclops. Oh yeah.